Maintenance schedule for front wheel of four-wheel drive car models. Front wheel service for four-wheel drive car models primarily involves inspecting and maintenance components like locking hubs, wheel bearings, and as a front differential. This includes checking fluid level, lubricating parts, and ensuring the proper alignment, especially if the vehicle is frequently used in off-road conditions. Key aspects of front-wheel service for four-wheel drive car models. Locking hubs. In vehicles with part-time four-wheel drive, locking hubs engage the front wheels when four-wheel drive is selected. Regularly require regular inspection and the maintenance, especially if the vehicle is used in muddy or wet conditions. Wheel bearings. These are essential for smooth wheel rotation and should be inspected and serviced according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Front differential. This component distributes power to the front wheels and require regular fluid checks and the changes, especially if the vehicle is used in demanding conditions. It is better to use the service manual in order to reassemble the components in their position and the direction without any missing. Tight the steering arm and the knuckle bearing cap at their specified torque and the knuckle spindle. After tightening the spindle and the backing plate, install the hub with disc assembly. Don't forget the front hub seal, the front wheel bearing, and make sure that it rests on this position. Only enough grease must be used not to contaminate. Install the lock washer. Tight the hub nuts with hand until it rests on this position, and finally use hub wrench to tighten it firmly. Fully and firmly tight the first hub nut and the 3/4 of turned back. Assemble lock washer and the bend, and then the second hub nut. Fully tight it with hub wrench. Assemble the free lock hub and the tight. Use snap ring to hold an axle on place. Bolts must be tightened to specified torque. Finally, assemble the free lock assembly. When assembling free lock, make sure that the free lock is on its free position. The free rotation of the wheel must be checked after all assemblies are made. Fluid level and the conditions. Regularly check and replenish fluids in the transfer case and the front differential. Alignment. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for even tire wear and the smooth handling of especially in four-wheel drive vehicles. Maintenance interval. Refer to the vehicle's owner manual for specific maintenance schedules and the intervals for four-wheel drive components. Off-road uses. If the vehicle is used frequently off-road, more regular maintenance may be needed for hubs, bearings, and a differential. Symptoms of front wheel problems. Excessive noise or vibration when engaging and disengaging four-wheel drive. Difficulty shifting into or out of four-wheel drive. Leaking fluids from the transfer case or front differential. Grinding or unusual noise when turning. By addressing these issues, you can ensure your four-wheel drive system remain reliable and perform optimally. If you like this video, please don't forget to